Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up collections on Shopify. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to your Shopify admin, then go to online store. All right, then go ahead over to customize. Click on it, and this page will load. So what we're going to do next is just add in a collections tab. All right, add a section right here and look for collections. Right here, collection list or featured collections. All right, I'm going to hit on collections list right here, and it will be added. So what we're going to do is just hit on save. Next, it's just we're going to want to go back, click on exit, go ahead over to products right here, click on it. And as you can see, I have one product and I'm going to add this one to my collection. I'm going to click on collection. Now I'm going to create a collection right here. Now, for example, this title right here, for example, devices. All right. Now we're going to add in some description, maybe computers, phones, and etc. All right. Collection type, you would want to add this one manual or manually. All right. Then what we're going to do next is just add in the image. For example, the image of the particular collection would be this one right here. We'll hit on done. All right. I'm going to scroll down a bit, and then I'm just going to hit on save. All right. Once that's done, just go back. Click on the back icon. You should be able to see your collection right here. You can add as many collections as you want. All right. What we're going to do next is just tell Shopify which products belongs to which particular collection. All right. And what we're going to do next is just go ahead over to products, back to products. As you can see, here is our product. If you have a ton of products right here, just go ahead and use the filter function to filter everything. All right. And look for the specific product. For example, desktops. All right, and then you're going to want to select them all. All right, then go to the three dots right here to see more actions. Now what we're going to do next is just hit on add to collections. Click on it. And then in here, as you can see, the devices collection is available right here. I'm just going to tick on this one. And it says here, you're about to add one product to collection. Just hit on save. It says here, products added to one collection. Once that's done, we're going to want to go back to the online store and hit on customize again. All right, click on customize, then just go ahead over to your collections list. All right, right here. As you might remember, we have created this one earlier. And what we're going to do next is just tell Shopify which collection or collection name should be added in the list. All right, so what we're going to do that is just go ahead over to the left pane right here. As you can see, we have three collections available. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to click on the first one, click on it, and this one will highlight. And what we're going to do is just go ahead over to the right pane and click on select. All right. As you can see here, devices collection is available. I'm just going to tick on this tick mark. And as you can see, it has been added. And what we're going to do next is just hit on save. All right. Now when we go back and check it out right here, I'm going to scroll down a bit. As you can see, we have just added our featured collection. All right. When we click on it, here's the drop down of that particular collection. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.